Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So today I am going to make muttonkorma recipe in my style, which is very famous subcontinent recipe. So let's start. I take 1 kilo mutton, 10 to 15 cloves garlic, cinnamon sticks cardamom, 2 and 3 tomatoes, and 3 medium-size onion, which are cut into round shape. Then add half-liter water and salt, 1 tablespoon. Rest on flame until 15 whistles. After that, remove it from stove. Then strain stock and cook mutton by adding oil. And also add peas so that they also settle with mutton then. Add turmeric, salt, and red chili powder, and also with ginger and green chili paste. I did not add ginger during boiling the mutton because it can bitter the taste of mutton. So now cook it. When mutton leaves the oil, then add stock, which is strained during boiling. Then cover it until it boils and becomes thick or which consistency you want. Then add coriander powder. Now add coriander leaves.